We are women of this country. Na tuko na uchungu sana kama wazazi kwa huyu kijana, na ndio isifanyike hata kwa mwingine. Tunasema serikali lazima itie kila jihada ndio mwenye kumuua Jeff ama vyovyote vile ilifanyika ipatikane, kwa sababu we will not sleep. Hatutalala mpaka Jeff apate haki yake.
Our simple point at the position is whoever the criminal is, we don't care about your connections. We don't mind how many days our son Jeff is in the grave, but we don't care how big the criminals are. But this is the first case we have declared as members of parliament that we must get justice for Jeff. We are aware one of the boys who has been mentioned in most of the cases, he is now planning to leave the country. Therefore, what we are saying today, you might leave the country, but still you shall be haunted by what you have done.